Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to download and install G-Engine. This is how you do it. You go to this URL, use a browser, you can simply use run, and it will open up your browser and go to that URL, and you're going to click the green button to download for you. Click on the download. Don't worry if something gets blocked or removed, because you don't really need it most other times. Of the times, sorry. Click skip all. If you don't see this button, then click on decline. Never click on accept because they're just third party and scrapware. They're trash. Don't worry about this. Let me show you. You can actually delete this. It really doesn't matter. I mean, no, not like that. Boom. And there should be another one when you try to save a sheet table. Let me show you that this still does work. So if I do next and then 100, we're gonna, oops. And if I do tutorial, 100, and then hit. As you can see, it does work. And if I would save this, it might block it now. Okay. Well, as you can see, it does work. And we're supposed to put this in 1,000, and it clearly works. So, yeah, just don't worry if an antivirus deletes something, as long as it isn't the important files, which you will know if it doesn't work again. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.